Hello, I'm Nicolette. Today we're going to look at how to draw a cartoon bat step by step. So I'll start. I would normally use a pencil, sketch it with a pencil first, and then you can rub it out if you make mistakes like I often do. I'm going to draw with a pen so you can see. So first of all, I might start with the ears. It's quite cute. I'm going to do cute. I don't know why. People seem to have them as scary characters, bats, but I find them very, very cute. Maybe it's because of Dracula. So I'm going to do two ears there, and then the inside of the ears. I'm going to move that pencil from underneath my arm. It's in the way. Right. Now I need to join that, but I don't want it straight. I'm going to do it arched. So I'm going to join to there. And then I need a nice round, I'm going to do a round face for this one. I'm going to come down and around. Now you might want to turn your page around and you can see, whereas there I can't see very well. Sometimes botch it by doing that. So I'm just going to draw all the way around to about there. Looks a little bit like a cat. So, cartoon eyes, big eyes. I'm going to have big eyes for this one. This is difficult. Circles aren't easy to draw and I want big circle eyes. So I'm going to start with this one. As you know, I always do it wrong on these videos. And there's a reason why I need to start with this side. Because when I do that one, I want it very similar or the same if possible. So if I do that one now, I can see. But I always do it wrong. Because I usually draw with a pencil first. So next eye, I want it similar. I think stopping around there. Maybe you'd sketch that with a pencil, so I'm going to just have a go. Freehand with this pen. See there, I've got a little bit of a wobble there. I'm not keen on it's not as round as that one. So if I'd have done it with a pencil, that would look better. Because I could rub it out now in the middle. There we go. Oh, bit of a kink there. Same on this side. I'm going to draw a circle in the middle. I'm going to colour that bit like that. Same on this side, circle in the middle. Colour. There we go. Just so it's got a little bit of shine in his eyes. It looks like that one's had a bump, that eye, doesn't it? A little bit funny. Right, the wings. I'll show you the body. Shall I do the body first? So I'm going to go all the way around. I'm going to go down. I'm going to go up to join the head just there. Okay. And then I'm going to draw. Just want to move my paper across because I keep it in the box. I've got a box with boots piled on and a coat hanger on top with my mobile phone on because I've not actually got a stand for my phone. That's how I do the film. There we go. I'm going to do that, and then we need to come in. I'm going to come in to there next. In. So I'm gradually coming into the body a bit as I go along to there. As I said, with a pencil, much better, much easier. And it doesn't matter when you make mistakes then either. So this is hard now because, see, I've done it wrong, haven't I? I've done it again. I want to try and get it like that. Let's have a go. Let's just have a go. So I need to join it to similar to there. From here. Let's have a go. There we go. Just there like that. Then we're going to do the same, but this opposite way around. Again, I'm coming in a little bit more as I go down, in more, and then I need to join it again to the body. I left that quite in line, I need to come a little bit lower, don't I? So I can join there to the body. And now little feet. So I'm just going to do like hook feet, because they like to hang upside down. Imagine sleeping upside down. Weird. There we go. And then I'll do a straight mouth and It's just 2 triangles. Or, you know what you could do as well if you wanted to? I've done a picture already, and I put the are they veins? I'm not sure. You can see on that one. So you could do something like that. I'm going to leave it clear on this one, I think. So you can choose what to do. So you would just do to the going up to the point like that. Shall I do them? I'll do them, shall I? So we're just going to go up to the point. And again, up to the point. I will turn your picture like I've done automatically back then. And then that. This side's harder. This side's harder because you've got to bend your hand a different way. What I would think would be better maybe to do it that way, because it's just easier to bend your hand that way, isn't it? And I can do that one that way. That feels more comfortable. And then maybe. There we go. There he is. A cute little bat. He is very cute. He's just, I think he's flown into something rhyme with that eye, isn't he? So, anyway, I'm a writer and an illustrator, so I've got my own page. I'd love to see your pictures. So if you send them to me, you'll find all my details below. And I will post them on my page. I might make his mouth a little bit wider. Why not? There we go. That's a bit cuter. So thank you for watching. So don't forget to send me your pictures and see you next time.